Opening an Etrade Brokerage account is a simple process. Here's a concise guide. Visit Etrade's website. Go to Etrade and click on Open an account. Select account type. Choose the type of brokerage account you want to open: individual, joint, retirement, or other options. For most general investing, select individual brokerage account. Complete the application form. Personal information. Enter your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment details. Financial information. Provide details about your financial status, including income, net worth, and investment experience. Set up security features. Create a username and password. Set up security questions for account protection. Review and agree to terms. Read Etrade's terms and conditions, privacy policy, and any applicable agreements. Agree to these terms. Verify your identity. You might need to upload identification documents to verify your identity. Fund your account. Link a bank account to transfer funds into your Etrade account. You can also set up direct deposits if you're opening a retirement account. Submit your application. Review all information for accuracy and submit your application. Etrade will process it and notify you once your account is approved.